Four Spheres of Knowledge Creation. The Causal Principles by René Bøtker. Part 1. Introduction. First, they ridicule you. Then they fight you. Then, it is accepted as self-evident. Origin unknown. Chapter 1. The Archetypes of Knowledge Creation. A seminal character in popular culture to the last century is the lonely genius. A person who follows their intuition with an integrity and devotion so admirable that their actions change the way society perceives reality. There are several unique traits that we associate with this character. Their hardships when confronted with other individuals. A struggle to balance their intuition of right with normative ideals. The success that follows as their creations are integrated and accepted as canon. The quote which started this chapter depicts the struggle of this character as an archetypical struggle. A struggle where the artistic genius must encounter three archetypical spheres of knowledge creation. First, the artist encounters the skeptic, who values his or her own experience above all else and therefore ridicules anything that does not align with this experience. If the artist emerges through the struggle, he or she will become a threat not only to the experience of the individual, but also to the normative environment and political belief systems. The fight which emerges with not only individuals, but institutions, is overcome through the artistic truth that is proved analytically by definition. The artist represents, the skeptic ridicules, the politician fights, and the analyst accepts it as true by definition. Although these archetypes of knowledge creation are often seen in fiction, the portrayed characters are often based on real-life individuals. Their intrigue is a recognition of our own struggles when we meet the archetypes in our everyday life. While the origin of the initial quote is difficult to determine, the archetypes can be found scattered throughout the history of philosophy. These archetypes exist in the history of philosophy as means of absorption and creation of knowledge. These archetypes shape our knowledge by enabling and constraining knowledge in its evolution. The development of the archetypes culminated with the last great system builders, Arthur Schopenhauer and G.W.F. Hegel. In the works of Schopenhauer and Hegel, we encounter four spheres of knowledge creation: the artistic sphere, the skeptic sphere, the political sphere, and the analytical sphere.